Warning. What's up, Danny gang? Welcome back to my channel. So y'all, we are in Target once again, and I'm gonna do another try on haul. But today I'm gonna be trying on sweaters, and the reason I'm trying on sweaters is because I see Target put a lot of new sweaters out, and also it's like 70 degrees in Atlanta with a breeze. Y'all, it feels so good outside. It feels like fall is vastly approaching, so I thought I would switch it up and I would do kind of like a sweater try on haul for you guys, so that you guys can see what kind of sweaters they got here. Really cute sweaters. Again, I'm gonna be grabbing all mediums, so hopefully they freaking work, because like I said, I know I'm not a small, y'all. I know I can't wear a small. My mom did tell me to like look in the petite section. So if you guys wear like petite clothing, where do y'all get y'all petite clothes from? Like, is there a certain store you go to? But I'm super short, so that's what hinders me. So yeah, let me know, where do you guys get your petite clothing from? So yeah, let's pick some up and head to the dressing room. Hey guys, so I really like the style of this sweater. I like the color of it, and I like the feel of it. I'm gonna get closer so that you guys can see the detail. It is a turtleneck, and like I said, it's kind of like a cream color. I like the length of it. Obviously it's too big, y'all. This is a freaking medium, and I was feeling for the tag, but this is a medium, so I must need to go down to a small. I feel like if I went down to a small, then this would be really cute and it would fit really good. But yeah, it's just super baggy right now, but if I can picture it in a small, I think I would slay. I do like the turtleneck, and I'm not actually a fan of turtlenecks, but I actually like the way this looks, so I decided to sit down and show you guys what it would look like as a picture, and I really like it. I just think I should go down a size. This next little number is this kind of deep purple, and I like this. I want to get closer so that you guys can see the detail. It has some lines on it. I like the length of the sleeves. However, right there where I'm pulling, it's tight, and I don't like things tight on my stomach or just on me at all. However, if it wasn't tight right there, I think I would like it. I like the neck, how it's kind of like it wants to come off the shoulder, but it just wants to be professional. I'm lifting my arms up because my mom always taught me, if you lift your arms up and you can see your stomach, then that's not the size for you. But overall, I like the color of this, and I like the style. I just don't like the fact that it's tight on my stomach. What do you guys think? Yay or nay? Let me know below. The next little number we have is just a plain gray sweater, and I like this. I think I can go down a size. Again, these are mediums, so I probably need to go down to a small, but it's just super simple, a simple gray sweater, and there's the detail. Y'all, this sweater feels so freaking good. Like, I love the way this sweater feels. I think it feels the best out of all of them, kind of like a cashmere, but it's cute on me. I just think I can go down a size because I want to be able to feel comfortable and not feel like it's oversized. I think a lot of stuff I've been trying on lately feels oversized, so yeah, I don't like that. But yeah, I just sat down to give you guys a little sneak peek of what it would look like if I was sitting, but yeah, too big. All right, the next sweater that I have on is this mustard color sweater, and y'all, I'm living for the color, period. And I'm living for how it feels, super smooth. But yet again, this medium is too big. However, you can still see what it would look like on me. It looks really good as far as the color with my skin tone. And I'm just pairing all these sweaters with the black pants and sandals that I wore to work. Yeah, just too big. I feel like if I had it in a small, it would fit pretty good in the tummy area, but overall I do like the color on my skin. The next sweater is this V-neck brown sweater, and y'all, I feel like I look so frumpy in this sweater. I do like the V-neck because you get like a little peekaboo of the cleavage. However, if I pull it down, y'all, look how long this sweater go, period. Too big. I don't like it, but like I said, I do like the V-neck. I'm going to get closer so that you guys can kind of see the detail. And as you see, they're all mediums, y'all, all mediums. So I don't know if I've lost weight since the last time, but now the mediums are too big. However, just posing, I think if I had a smaller size, I would really enjoy this sweater, and it was super, super soft. So this next one, I think, fits me the best. It is a medium, and it's kind of just a V-neck black sweater, and it has the rouge on the shoulders. But I think it fits me, and it feels really good on me. And just there's a little detail. It has lines on it. So I like the look. I like the feel. I think if I paired it with a skirt or maybe some other type of pants, it would look good. But it is hugging my body. It's hugging my shape. And I think that it fits me really good. I'm kind of just playing with my hair to see how I would style this sweater. Putting some of my hair on the side. Just seeing how I would style it. But overall, I think this sweater fits me the best out of all the sweaters that I tried on thus far. It fits me the best. And yeah, I'm just showing you guys some different angles. And yeah, let me know down below, do you guys like this sweater? I think it fits the best, and I'm kind of feeling myself. I think I look kind of cute, period. So yeah, what do y'all think? Let me know. Hey, y'all, so this is the last sweater that I'm trying on. There's some detail for you. I saw this sweater in gray as well. And y'all, this is a size small. S-M-A-L-L-S. Y'all, this is a small, and I'm kind of feeling back there to see if I can get the tag out for y'all. And boom, there's a tag. This is a small, and this sweater is only 15 bucks. Y'all, I am shook because I just knew I couldn't get a small. I knew I couldn't fit a small because I've been in larges all my life and, you know, mediums recently. So, yeah, I was super shook, and here's proof. I grabbed a medium to see if I would fit a medium, but I said for the hell of it, let me just put the small on. And the small actually fits. I feel like this looks the best out of all the sweaters that I've tried on, and I am shooketh. Period. I'm so surprised I can fit a small because just in my wildest dreams, I never thought I could fit a small. And I'm actually, Tootsie Roll, butterfly. Y'all, I'm lit because I can fit a small. But yeah, I really like this. It feels so good. They had pink and gray, and it's $15, and it's a small. I'm putting my hands up to see if you can see my tummy, and you can't. So let me know down below what's your favorite. Hey guys, so y'all, I am done in Target, and I'm on my way back to my job. I got me some little healthy choice entrees or whatever. I plan on meal prepping. Hold on, y'all. So yeah, guys, I just left Target, and I'm done trying on sweaters. I end up getting me 2 of those like healthy choice little items because I did not meal prep. I do plan on meal prepping, but they do have the little healthy choice bowls that I show you guys on my Instagram all the time. And if you're not following me on Instagram, I'll put it on the screen because I legit post like everything I'm drinking and eating over there. You can follow me on either one of my Instagram accounts. But anyway, so I end up getting 2 of those. They're on sale 2 for $6 right now, which is a really good deal. So I got 2 so that I can have 1 for today and tomorrow. But y'all, I'm shook. That last sweater that I tried on was a freaking small, y'all. A freaking small. And I'm shook. As y'all saw, and I stated, I grabbed a medium just in case, but I ended up putting a small on first just to see. But I was like, I know I can't fit this, and I can fit it. So I guess now I'll be trying on smalls. So yeah, let me know down below, did you guys like any of those sweaters? I legit hated them all except the last one. Like the last one was really cute, and it was only 15 bucks. So I'll probably go back and get it. But yeah, let me know your favorite sweater down below. And are y'all just as shook as me? Because honey, I am shook. I can wear a small. But anyway, y'all, my hand getting tired, and I'm about to cross the street to get back to my office. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know what else you guys want to see me try on. So yeah, guys, if you made it all the way to the end of the video, go ahead and leave a little SOS emoji down below, because y'all, I need help. Somebody send help, because I can fit a small, honey. Send help, SOS. But anyway, leave that emoji down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Reporting live from the internet, signing out. Back to you, world. Deuces. What's up, Danny gang? Welcome back to my channel. So y'all, this is gonna be a really quick video, like a lightning fast. So I'm fresh off work. I've already showered, which is why I have no makeup on, and I've already did my workout. Everything is